Feeling stuck on your latest programming assignment? Struggling to find the right sources for your research paper? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're breaking down the process of tackling programming and research challenges like a pro. Whether you're a first-year student or in your final year, these tips will help you level up your skills. Let's dive in. The first step in solving any problem is to understand it deeply. For programming, this means thoroughly reading the problem statement. Identify what inputs you have, what outputs are expected, and think about potential edge cases that might trip you up. Let's start with understanding the problem. In programming, it's crucial to fully comprehend the problem statement. For example, if you're asked to calculate the factorial of a number, you need to know what a factorial is and how it's computed. Here's a simple Python function to calculate the factorial of a number. For research projects, it's crucial to grasp the research question. Spend time reviewing the literature to see what's already been done and to identify gaps your research can fill. Understand the scope of your study to avoid veering off track. Once you understand the problem, break it down into smaller, more manageable tasks. For programming, this could mean dividing your code into functions or modules. Write pseudocode to outline your approach before you start coding. For research, create an outline that includes your introduction, literature review, methodology, results, and conclusion. Breaking your project into sections helps you tackle one part at a time without feeling overwhelmed. Gathering the right resources is a crucial step. For programming, make use of official documentation, online forums, and coding communities. Websites like Stack Overflow can be invaluable for troubleshooting and finding solutions to common problems. For research, dive into academic journals, books, and credible online sources. Use databases like Google Scholar or your university's library resources to find relevant studies and articles. Remember to take detailed notes and bookmark important resources for easy access later. Now it's time to put your plan into action. Start implementing your solution step by step. For programming, write and test your code incrementally. Begin with the core functionality and gradually add features. Here's an example function to check if a number is prime. This function checks if a number is greater than 1 and verifies that it's not divisible by any number from 2 to n1. Testing your code with different values helps ensure accuracy and efficiency. For research, begin writing your paper by focusing on one section at a time. Reviewing and revising your work is a critical step. For programming, this means debugging your code and optimizing it for efficiency. Let's improve our earlier prime checking function. In this optimized version, we handle even numbers separately and only check up to the square root of n, reducing the number of iterations and improving performance. Don't hesitate to ask for feedback from peers or mentors. Solving programming and research challenges can be tough, but with the right approach, you can overcome them. Remember to understand the problem, break it down, gather resources, implement your solution, and revise thoroughly. Each step is a part of the journey to mastering your skills. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on mastering your academic and professional journey. Drop a comment below with your own tips and experiences, and let's build a community of learners together. See you next time.